Another we've stopped. We are we're always interested in sunnah of adding another wives, but we are not interested of this sunnah of facing the qibla whilst performing the ablution. It's a big factor that you have to consider as a Muslim whenever you are performing ablution. If only there is a chance, then make sure that you will be facing the qibla, inshallah wa ta'ala.
I think the part that you should have already talked about before Imam got up. You mentioned wife. Imam was supposed to be sitting here before you, but he just got up.
Maybe he knew he would talk about
No.
And then silent, perform the ablution very fast, quick. You go to the masjid or go to wherever you want to go. It's also a sunnah, inshallah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Imam Muhammad, inshallah, I think as-su'alu lak. لا يفتى مالك في المدينة لذلك تفضل.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So the question is,